Beets have many medicinal properties attested by numerous scientific studies. They can help to treat very common diseases in our modern society, such as diabetes and insulin resistance, hypertension and other cardiovascular diseases, kidney, liver, and digestive diseases. In the studies that I used for this video, scientists focused primarily on 3 active compounds found in beets, which give them their medicinal properties. Betalains, which include beta-cyanins and beta-xanthines, which are pigments in beets. Inorganic nitrate that the body converts into nitric oxide, which is a vasodilator, neurotransmitter, and contributes to the proper functioning of the immune system. Betaine, that is also called trimethylglycine, that is an amino acid discovered in beets, hence its name, but it's also found in quinoa, wheat germ, spinach, or shrimp. Beetroot is one of the most antioxidant plants because of betalains, which are good electron donors. They protect fatty acids from oxidation even more effectively than vitamin E or catechin. They prevent the pro-oxidant action of copper, and they protect DNA from oxidation. Betalains protect red blood cells from oxidation. They lower blood pressure, they improve endothelial function, and they reduce toxic levels of homocysteine. In one study, betalain concentrates improved performance and recovery in 3 athletes compared to a placebo control group. They ran faster and their blood creatine kinase, which is a marker of muscle damage, increased less, and they felt less tired than the control group. In another study, beetroot extract given 30 days before and 3 days after irradiation had a protective effect in mice exposed to radiation. Therefore, people treated with radiation therapy for cancer should consume beets, and they generally should eat a diet rich in antioxidants. Betalains decrease the incidence of liver tumors by 60% in mice. They are effective in the treatment of fatty liver disease. They decrease liver toxicity caused by chemicals and by alcohol. They significantly increase the levels of glutathione and superoxide dismutase, and they increase the content of zinc and copper in the liver. Betaine is necessary to ensure good liver function and for its detoxification. It is a remedy to treat hepatitis B and C, liver fibrosis, alcoholic fatty liver disease, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Betaine reduces uric acid and creatinine levels. Several studies show that the consumption of beetroot juice effectively delays the postprandial glycemic response and decreases blood sugar spikes. In one study, rats fed with beetroot chips had a significant drop in blood glucose levels. The hypoglycemic effect of beet juice might be because of the inhibition of glucose absorption in the intestine, and the decrease in insulin levels could be linked to an increase in cortisol. Betalains delay the progression of neural death in Parkinson's disease, improve learning and memory impairment, and are more effective than ascorbic acid in reducing cognitive defects in mice. Betalains lower blood cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL levels, and increase HDL levels. They protect LDL from oxidation by increasing the excretion of bile acids. Betalains are toxic to the liver, breast, lungs, and skin cancer cells. They protect the skin from tumors induced by UV rays or by chemical treatments. Betalains have antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiprotozoal activity. Beets inhibit the growth of Salmonella, Staphylococcus, E. coli, Klebsiella, Candida albicans, and even Aspergillus strains. They also have anti-malarial activity. Lacto-fermented beet juice has the particularity of being rich in betanidine, a compound that is not present in regular fresh beet juice. Betanidine is the betalain with the highest antioxidant activity. And of course, the lacto-fermentation makes it rich in probiotics necessary for a healthy digestive system. Identification of microorganisms adhering to the intestinal epithelium after consumption of fermented beet juice revealed the following groups: Lactobacillus Enterococcus, Clostridium coccidioides, Enterobacteriaceae, Bacteroides prevotella, and Bifidobacterium. One study showed a lower concentration of ammonia in the gut of subjects supplemented with fermented beet juice. Ammonia is harmful to the cells of the intestinal epithelium. Fermented beetroot juice has all the benefits of regular beetroot juice, with the addition of an even more powerful antioxidant activity, and it is rich in probiotics and in enzymes for better digestive health. To sum up, beets are powerful antioxidants. They protect from cardiovascular diseases, from cholesterol and diabetes, from cancer, from liver and kidney diseases, from Parkinson's and Alzheimer's diseases, and when fermented, as it is in beet kvass, they protect your gut. I have a video about beet kvass. I put the link up there. Beets are quite rich in oxalates, so be careful if you are sensitive to oxalates. It's not as rich in oxalates as spinach, for example, but it still has quite a high amount of oxalates. It's about 100 milligrams for 100 grams. I have a whole video about oxalates, so please go watch that video if you have oxalate sensitivity. I put the link up there. If you want more information about beets, I have a more detailed article in my blog on my website. I will put the link of my article in the comments under this video. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.